Power tools use many ball bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often with a squeaking or squealing sound. Replacing a ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the front half of the handle assembly. Next, I'll remove the motor brushes. Now I'll remove the 4 screws that secure the motor housing. And now I can remove the armature. Now I can remove the bearing. I'll use a bearing separator to do this. I place the separator over the bearing and tighten it up. Now I'll place the separator over the jaws on my vise. Now I'll use a socket that has a diameter just slightly smaller than the inner race. I'll use the socket to tap the armature shaft out of the bearing. Now I can install the new bearing. I place it over the shaft, and this time use a socket that has a diameter about the same as the inner race to install it. Now I can reinstall the armature. To reassemble, I want to make sure that the bent portion of the shaft lock is pointing towards the upper guard. I'll place the armature onto the shaft lock and then place this assembly back into the housing. Now I'll reinstall the motor housing. I slide it over the armature and align it with the upper guard. I'll secure it with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the compression spring for the shaft lock. I place it over the end of the shaft and then into the housing. Now I'll reinstall the handle housing. Snap it into place and I'll secure it with the screws. And now reinstall the switch button. And that's all it takes to replace the ball bearing on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.